Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss from question number 4 of exercise 5.3 in the chapter of arithmetic progression. So the question 4 says what? How many terms of the AP? How many terms always stand for the quantity n? Of the AP 9, 17, 25 must be taken to give a sum of 636. So here in this case we can find out value of the first term, value of the common difference from this AP given, and Sn is given to be 636, and we need to find out what is the value of n here, I mean number of terms. So given AP is 9, 17, 25, that goes on. Here first term A is equal to 9, common difference D is equal to second term is 17 minus first term is equal to 8. Then after Sn is given to be 636 to find out number of terms, that is n. So of course we have to use here the value of Sn so as to find out value of n. Okay, so we have Sn is equal to 636. So we can use here the formula n by 2 within bracket twice a plus n minus 1d, that is equal to 636. So value of n we don't know yet. Then 2 into value of a is, I mean the first term is given to be 9, so we can put here 9 plus n minus 1, value of d is given to be 8, it means from AP we are getting it 636. After this n by 2 within bracket, this is 18 plus 8n minus 8 is equal to 636. After this what would we get? N by 2, here it is 8n plus 10 is equal to 636. So on reduction we shall get here 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0. So this is again a quadratic equation. So in quadratic equation we have to either split the middle term or we can use quadratic formula for finding out the values, I mean value of n. So all of you know how to split the middle term and all. So 4n square plus, in place of 5n, in this case we can put we have to check in this way product of coefficient of n square and that of the last term, I mean constant term, is what? 636. So here I shall be getting the result to be 24, 2 left, 12, again 4, 1 left, 2544. So we have to split this term in such a way to get two numbers which will give us a difference of 5 here, like that could be 53 and another number would be 48. Then only this splitting can be done. So I can put here 53 minus 48, value of means n should be put here, then 636 is equal to 0. So here in this case we shall be getting 4n square plus 53n minus 48n minus 636 is equal to 0. So from this part I can take common n only, then 4n will be left behind, 53 minus, this will be repeated here, 4n plus 53 would be repeated here, and then I can put here 12 so as to get 48 and then 636. So this will be n minus 12 into 4n plus 53, that is equal to 0. So what shall I get here? Either n minus 12 is equal to 0 or 4n plus 53 is equal to 0. So I get here n is equal to 12, then 4n is equal to minus 53. So n is equal to minus 53 by 4, which is impossible because n can never be in fraction nor in negative notation. So this is impossible. So value of n is 12 here. So this is the result actually we should get. Hence the required number of terms. Hence required number of terms is equal to 12. So this is the answer for this question number 4. Then next, here comes question number 5. So in question number 5, let us check what the question says. The first term of an AP is 5. The first term of an AP is 5, comma, the last term is 45. The last term is 45 and the sum is 400 and the sum is 400. Find the number of terms. Find the number of terms. Find the number of terms and the common difference. And the common difference. So in the solution part, let's come to the solution part. So first of all, we have to mention what are the things given. Given first term, that is A, is equal to 5. Then the last term, let's consider this as to be the nth term, is equal to 45. Then the sum means Sn is equal to 400. To find the number of terms means n and the common difference d. So here these two forms we have to use. One says an and the other one is Sn. Here an we are getting as 45. Then after a plus n minus 1 d is equal to 45. I get here a to be 5 plus n minus 1 d and n, these two things we do not know. So I can write here this entire term n minus 1 into d as 45 minus 5, and this will come as n minus 1 d is equal to 40. So let's mark this as 1. Then here comes the other part, and we get here Sn to be 400. So for Sn we can write what? n by 2 within bracket twice a plus n minus 1 d is equal to 400. Value of n we don't know, this has to be kept as it is. Twice a, value of a is given to be 5, and here we can use this result 1. means in place of n minus d we can put this result, means 40 is equal to 400. So using 1 we got it. Then after n by 2 into, this is 2 5 ja 10, 10 plus 40 it is 50 is equal to 400. So I get here after cancellation this is 25. So n will be equal to 400 by 25. After cancellation this is 16. So value of n we got as 16. So this is one result which is to be evaluated. Then after we shall come to equation 1. So in 1, this 1 implies, what did I get? N minus 1 into d is equal to 40. So in place of n we shall be putting this 16 minus 1 d is equal to 40. After this we shall get what? 15d is equal to 40. So value of d will come as 40 by 15. So when cancelled out by 5, this is 3, this is 8. So I get here value of d as 8 by 3. So this is the other result to be obtained. So this is the answer of the second part. So this is the complete answer of question number 5. Next we shall come to question number 6. So here is question number 6. So in question number 6 what we have? The first and the last terms of an AP are 17 and 350 respectively. 350 respectively, putting full stop, if the common difference is 9, comma, how many terms are there? How many terms are there? And what is their sum? And what is their sum? Question mark. So let's come to the solution part and write down what are the things given. So we have here, it is given first term, that means a is equal to, here it is 17. This is the first term. The last term here we shall be considering as the nth term. So last term will come as, that is the nth term will come as 350. Common difference is given to be, that is d equals to 9. To find out what is the number of terms, that is n, and their sum, that is Sn. So let us come to the solution part. So here using this relation we shall be able to find out value of n. So here an is equal to 350. Let's put the value, a plus n minus 1 d is equal to 350. Value of a is already known to us, 17 plus n minus 1, value of d we get as 9 equals to 350. So after this what we will get, 17 plus 9n minus 9 is equal to 350. So 9n will remain as it is, 17 minus 9 it is 8, and that will be shifted to the opposite side as minus 8. So what we shall get, 9n is equal to 342. So value of n will be equal to 342 divided by 9. So it is 9, 3 ja 27, 72, it is 8. So value of n comes as 32. So value of n is equal to 38. So this is the required first result. Next we shall come to Sn. Now the sum we need to find out. For Sn, which formula can we use? N by 2 and then a plus an, because in this case both the terms a and an are known to us. Therefore here we can put, in place of n the result could be 38 divided by 2, in place of a it is 17, and the last term is given to be 350. So this is cancelled out, 19 into the result here will be 367. On multiplication the result will come as 6973, means product of these two numbers will come as this. So ultimately therefore Sn we got as this result. So this is the second result to be obtained in this question. So this is the answer part. Next, coming to question number 7. Let's come to question number 7. In question number 7, what is given? Find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which d is equal to 7 and the 22nd term is 149. So coming to the solution part, here what do we have? Actually the first term we do not have here. So let the first term be, let the first term be a. Given we have d is equal to 7, then number of terms to be evaluated is 22 terms, n is equal to 22, then a22 we have as 149. So we have to find out the sum. What we don't have here is a. So from a22 we can evaluate that a plus 22 minus 1, d is equal to 149. Value of a we don't know, so that will remain as it is, plus 21 into d is 7, so 149. Then after this entire quantity, means whatever product we shall be getting here will be shifted to the opposite side. 149 is equal to 147. So value of A comes as 2 here. What we have to find out here is sum of first 22 terms. That means S22. Therefore, sum of first 22 terms is equal to S22 will be 22 by 2 within bracket A plus A22. Value of A we got to be 2. So after cancellation this is 11. Value of A is 2 here. A22 as given in the question, it is 149. So 11 into 151. The result will be the required answer, and their product is 1661. So this is the answer required here. S22 is this one. This is the required result. Next, after this, coming to question number 8. In question number 8, this is question number 8. Let us check what it says. Find the first 51 terms. Find the first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. 14 and 18 respectively. So coming to the solution part, let neither the common difference nor the first term is given here. Let the first term be small letter a and the common difference be d. We have second term as 14 and the third term as 18. So common difference could be like this. D is equal to, of course, third term minus second term. So the answer will be 18 minus 14 is equal to 4. Now if we consider the case of, now for second term we are having the result to be 14. That means a plus 2 minus 1 d we get as 14. That means a plus d is equal to 14. Therefore the answer will be like this. For a, it is equal to 14 minus 4. Value of a will come as 10. So the first term here we got to be 10. Next we have to find out sum of 51 terms. Therefore sum of 51 terms is equal to S51 is equal to 51 by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 d means here in this case I made a mistake. Here it should be 51. So in this place I can put 51 because value of n is already known to us. 51 by 2, a is 10 here, plus this is 50, d we got to be 4. So after this, what do we get? 51 by 2. This is a simple calculation. 20 plus this is 200. So 51 by 2 into 220. After cancellation, 110. This will come as 0. 11 1 ja 11, 1 left. So answer will be 5610. So this is the required result here. Question number 9 is almost similar to question number 8 only. So this could be done in this way only. Thank you.